Guys, today I'm coming to you with Khelobedu lessons. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Letlhogonolo. Guys, today I'm coming to you with Khelobedu lessons. In case you are going to be found in Tswana or Balobedu area, or maybe you just love Khelobedu as a language, or perhaps you are a fan of King Munada, Tato Malewati, or Kendi, or just any Lobedu speaking person. Or perhaps you are dating a Lobedu speaking person and you want to impress. So stick by me. I'm gonna be teaching you, all the basics that are there that you need to, to know in order to communicate with Balobedu speaking. All right. So let's get down to it. Today on this first lesson, I'm gonna teach you how to greet. Okay, I'm gonna teach you greetings in Khelobedu. Mind you, bear in mind that with greetings, it depends who is it that you are greeting and where do you find them. All right, because how you greet an elderly person will not be the same as how you greet someone of the same age as you or younger than you, right? So now let's start with greeting the elderly people. Let's say you're going inside someone's home and you find an elderly person outside the house, like within their yard but outside their house, and the first thing that you have to say as you enter their yard, when you see them where they can hear you, you go by nrao, and they will say morena, but you don't have to say nrao. You can say nrao. We usually say it first, nrao, and they will say morena or morena, and you carry on by asking them how are they, how are you, legai, and they will respond to you by saying riona legai, which means I am good, and yourself, and you will respond by I'm good. You're going to say riona, then you carry on with whatever it is that you are there to do. Easy, right? And again, if instead of saying legai, if it's still in the morning, you can get in saying rao, they'll say morena. Instead of saying legai, you go like lizuile bian, and which is more like how are you still. Then they'll respond by rizuile ginariwijisao, I'm good, and yourself. It's the same thing. All right, and you're gonna go like rizuile. Easy, right? Very, very easy. But now let's say they were not outside, you have to go to the door and knock. You're gonna go knock, and when they open the door, it's either you or them. Let's just say in this case, when they open the door, you're gonna start them by saying Thobela, which it's more of Sepedi word, but we use it. You're gonna say Thobela, and they'll say he or morena, and you're gonna go on by saying legai, which is the same as how you riona legai riona. Then you carry on with whatever it is that you were there to do. Easy. All right. And if you come or you're walking and you pass, you're coming across elderly people or elderly person, guys, in Bolobedu, as Balobedu people, we have so much respect, and with how we speak and how we conduct ourselves, we have so much respect. So if you are coming across an elderly person, you don't pass people and not greet them. Just imagine this: you pass people and not greet them, and a few steps ahead, you maybe are lost and you need to go back and ask them a question or a direction. Are you gonna start then say hello? No, it's not done like that. The first time you meet a person, whether you know them or not, you just go like Thobela and pass, especially if it's an elderly person. But with meeting someone along the way, it's either you just say Thobela and Thobela, whether they respond or not, but you greet them and pass, right? Okay, so if it's an elderly person, you meet them along the way, you can say Thobela, and the same morena, you pass, they pass. All right. And if ever now it's someone of your same age, if you find them in their home, the greetings is the same as the elderly person, Thobela, or Nrao. But now, instead of saying legai, if it's a younger person, or you don't feel like saying legai to a younger person, you go like obiane, which is how are you? And they'll respond by saying, if they are same age as you, they'll say ulugile oyan, okay, which means I'm fine and how are you? And then you'll say ulugile, then carry on with telling them whatever it is that you are there to tell them. And if they are younger than you, once you say obiani, they're gonna say riona legai. So don't be shocked. I said we know how to respect All right. So they're gonna say Riona le guy. So it's always about who is it that you are greeting, where you find them, and yeah, and it's so easy. So in case you find yourself in Bolobedu, you're gonna pass people along the way, you're gonna say Thobela. Find them in their home, you start off by saying in Rao and le guy, and those born Riona le guy, and you say Riona. That's easy. Then you carry on with whatever you need to continue with. So thank you guys. Check out my second lesson of Khelobedu. I really hope with the greetings you are covered. Bye bye.